Roy, he's busy working on putting the, what do they call it stuff, Roy?
Caulking.
Caulking in all the cracks, seams, whatever you want to call it. Today, on the house and part of the garage, we're going to put the plywood up underneath the eave because we need to get this done, only because if we don't get it done till next spring, we don't want the blackbirds in there, startlings, making nests. So let's get at her. Okay, as usual, it's time for a little bit of cleanup before we get started so we can see what kind of material we have to work with. For the faceplate, we are using just a single 2x6 instead of doing a 3/4 and that kind of stuff. Main reason why, when you go to hang gutters, if you don't hit into a good 2x4 that's in the rafters, then more than likely your gutter's going to fall down. Okay, we got the vents in, and the plywood there, all the way down. And now, on the garage, I need to work on this to extend this board here, and also get its angle down here. And this here is going to cover the end that the gutter board will be, so that the end of the gutter board won't be showing. So that's what I'm going to work on now. First, I'm going to nail on this board here. That's just a temporary, so I can see exactly where my measurements need to be able to cover the end of it. And also, I'm going to double up by that 2x6, so that way it'll make the end stronger. And so I have something to nail that, as I just called it, a gutter board too. Here we cut a 2x4 in half, and now I can just tack them just above on the 2x6, so I have something to nail my plywood to. And now while I finish up under the eave, Roy's busy on the garage door, giving a little bit of decoration idea to it. Okay, I just finished nailing up the last piece of plywood. Give Roy the nail gun, and I'm going to take a very short break because Dad came by, and we'll be back at her. Now Roy and I are discussing what we really want on the door. Roy wants a kind of a, looks like a 2 barn doors that slide back and forth, but it's just a design, and we're trying to figure it out so it looks good from the road and looks good up close. Well, it was another long day. The humidity was terrible. It didn't get to 80, but it sure felt like 102. Roy's got the door finished with his decorations, and now all you have to do is caulk the heck out of it and paint it. So until tomorrow or whenever, we'll see you guys later.